why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, I'm in a part of Zhuhai called Wanzai, and just to give you some reference to it, over there is the border. So you can see Macau all the way across the skyline, Pont 16. That's the Macau side. Over there is Macau Tower, and then there's also Wanzai High Railway Station. I'll talk about that too. And then we also have all these buildings everywhere. So we're gonna kind of walk along here a little bit, give you a little taste of what Wanzai looks like. So stay tuned for that. And let's put this up on the map so you can see how close we are to Macau and where we are at in Zhuhai. Okay, we have another Zhuhai one for you. We're gonna put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're in this area called Wanzai. It overlooks the Macau side. So so we're gonna get little elements of that here. And there's also like some development there. So they're building a train line. They've already built it, so you're gonna see a little bit of that. And anyways, it's just something so that people who are interested in Zhuhai and in Macau have an idea what this little coastline looks like overlooking Macau. It's called Wanzai. Let's get right into it so you can see it as if you're there yourself. Yeah, I just walked along the waterfront down that way. I didn't want to film it because there's like security stuff about you know, I don't know what's this government and what's not, and what can be filmed and what's not. But I know I can film this over here because this is where, you know, there's bike shares and there's people everywhere. Down there was more residential. But anyways, that's where the Macau side is all at, all the way down. And then there's a immigration. I think you can take your boat. I think it might be maybe that right there in that area. And then right there is a railway station, which is not open right now. There's even like sandbags, but I think that'll be open up in the future. So yeah, Wanzai Bay Railway Station. And maybe later it'll come out to something kind of big. Public restroom is over there. And it looks like it's kind of a park, so you can so these are, that they might have the name Wanzai on them. So yeah, this whole little park that you can play in, and then there's an immigration thing over there as well. And it looks like we can just explore the park. So we're gonna walk down and see how far we can get in Wanzai. I think maybe more of it is on that other side of the main road. So we're going to try to catch what we can catch. And there's a map up here too. And there's actually like, there's a lot of stuff along here. I think there's also like a seafood kind of thing. Let's just take a look real quick. So I believe this is the shape of Macau Island. There's even the Namban Lake, and so this is our whole area right here. So it looks like I just walked past a tour. This must be the immigration point that goes over, so you can go over to here from this location, and then I guess you go inland into more of the Wanzai things. And then I'm just gonna walk down a little bit, and it looks like there's a Hilton Hotel, and it looks like it opens up into a whole little thing, Sheraton Hotel. There's even a mall over here? Huh, okay. So anyways, this is a taste of it. And so I'm going to go a little further ahead, and then we can get a better taste for it. Yeah, train station right there. Okay, so let me turn the camera off, and then we're gonna go down that way. Turn it back around. That's kind of interesting. It says the train station is just 50 meters away. That's where we just walked by. And then Zhuhai Airport, Intercity Railway. So the airport is in an area that's it's like way over that direction. So now the train is going to be taking people to the airport eventually. So that's what that's all about. We're gonna just get down there a little bit further, but I just saw that of interest. So that's the coastline right there, and it looks like there's all these buses that are on the coastline too. The Macau side over there, and then it looks like if we really want to see Wanzai, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's over on that other side of the street. It kind of goes up towards the mountains. I don't know what's over there exactly. Anyways, we're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, this is along the coast as well, and it has like a flower market, Dutch, Portuguese, colonial vibe. And I think it's for tourists when they come across the border. I think this is also for all the seafood restaurants right in here as well. Yeah, it's also interesting too because it's kind of like, I guess that might keep it either air conditioned or warm. It's all the tall apartments over there. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Has like all these like little Portuguese vibes everywhere. Looks a bit more like Amsterdam, but like some kind of European vibe anyways. Tourist stuff. Huh. And then here's kind of a cool looking building too. Looks like you can go up, and that is the border right over there. That looks really cool. Okay, let me just see what else we got up here. Okay, so it looks like we have a whole little space up here, so I think this is, there's a Macau reference right there. Yeah, I think this goes into the this is the waterfront. I think it goes to Macau from here. Yeah, there's people everywhere in here, and there's even some Instagram photographic shots like that one right there, and this one right here. And then I think that goes to Macau. So I think that's all to Macau right there. Then you got all these little food court stuff everywhere in here, and all the residential up that way too. So we're gonna just kind of see what they got in here. Smells really good. Smells really good. Got rice here. This one has pizza. Fresh orange juice.
手打柠檬茶，鲜榨橙汁，鲜榨果汁，看一下。
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. So they got all these little rows of food everywhere in here. So, okay, and then that's the whole immigration that goes to Zhuhai and Macau. I'm gonna check it out. That's kind of cool. So this is all Macau references. So there's that's Casino Lisboa, the bridge, Sao Paulo ruins. This one I don't know. Maybe that's the Zhuhai port. So, and that's Zhuhai. So I guess that's Zhuhai. That one, maybe it's a mix of Zhuhai and pretty cool. Okay, so it looks like we can go under right here. So that's the immigration part. And then we're gonna go down this way. It looks like we can go down this way, and then we'll go under. Then we're gonna end up over on that side, over that direction. So let's go down and see what's over there. Okay, so we're gonna go through the tunnel, and then we're gonna be going up to the top, and then we're probably gonna come to conclusion. I need to explore more of this area, but at least I got to see a little bit of the waterfront. It looks like we can go up that way, or we go up this way. Let's go this way. Oh, that's for... And now we're at something called Wanzai Seafood Street entrance. So, so we were just kind of walking along that coast, Macau side. Immigration is over there, and then this goes to a bunch of little eateries everywhere. So I think this is actually one of the main things that people will come here and do, is eat seafood, and they can come across on the Macau side as well. And it looks like they just go all the way down. Got some nice... I'll have to explore this whole area later. This one will not have all that. Hello. This one will not have. We'll just kind of walk through it and we'll see. But you can see Wanzai goes into the mountains up that way. Oh, there's actually a nice boat right there. It's a nice mural. All these apartment buildings too. I do wonder what's in Wanzai. But yeah, you got a really nice mural right there. We'll highlight that in a second. And I think all the seafood restaurants go all the way down. There's the mural. Looks like they might go down that way too. It says entrance, so I think that maybe some scooters can go down that way. And then this, of course, is more of them. Let me just kind of see. Yeah, it looks like a whole row of all seafood. So you can buy all seafood all the way down that way. I'll have to explore this whole area another time. It's pretty cool. Wanzai. And then there's actually a little mural there with a little tourist guy, the wave. But anyways, that's a little sight to Wanzai along the water coast anyways. All right.